Welcome to the mobile food pantry. We're going to do a little tutorial about how to operate the systems on board. We'll start out with the external water supply, which is located underneath the front shelf. So you just unscrew it, open it up, put the hose in. That's it. Okay, next we have the generator compartment. This is basically one thing. This is the oil fill. To check the oil, simply unscrew. Next, we are going to the propane system on board. This is to fill the propane unit. This is the on-off valve. It is imperative that this valve be turned off except during use of the food pantry. When finished, please turn this valve off. Next, we are going to the gasoline fill compartment. This is very simple, just like your automobile. This is an unleaded gas, and this gas supplies fuel to the generator as well. So the one tank provides gas for both systems. And we have the doghouse. This is where we will check the engine oil. So we take these two rubber grommets, open them, and pull stiffly, and that'll open up and it will lock. And we check the engine oil by grabbing the yellow, pull it out, wipe it, push it back in. That'll give us our engine oil. This is to close the doghouse. We have to line this up and then just step out of the way, and it closes, slams, put the grommets back up, finished. We're going to go inside the truck now to look at the different systems inside and how to operate. As you can see, there's a generator on off. To turn the generator on, we simply depress this button and keep it held in until the generator actually starts. After the generator has been started, it will take a few seconds for the breaker to kick in. That beep was the breaker. So the overhead lights will now be turned on. Please do not turn on the outside LED lights unless we're operating at night, as this can drain the main battery down if it's not turned off. It's a chiller unit that's used for condiments, soft drinks, that sort of thing. This is the on-off switch, and this is the plug for the chiller. As you can see, it is labeled. Next, you can see the overhead light for the cooking area and the vent fans, which are labeled. This will turn on and off the lights and the fan accordingly. Next, we have the chiller for meats or whatever you want to put in here before cooking. It's operational right here. This is an instantaneous hot water heater that operates by turning this on, and the temperature should be set between 110 and 125. It will now. This is the water pump that helps to bring the water inside. There's air in the lines right now. Simple. We're going to be turning on the propane now to go inside and to light all of the pilots to utilize the burners. We just turned the propane on outside, so now we're moving inside to light the pilots on the burner. As you can see, there's a burner and there's a burner, and once these are lit, they will stay lit all the time. And then you simply turn your gas valve here and here for your temperature settings. Keep in mind that these pilots will stay lit during the entire time that you are using the food truck. Next, we'll be lighting the pilot light for the flat top. Depress the lighter and you'll see the tube, the Pantry tube on one side, and then go to the other, and it will light right up. So they're both lit Now we just simply turn it on and that's about it. Next we go to the mesquite grill. This we have to be a little careful on. So we open our grills up, we put our lighter down in the center, we light it, and we depress the black button. The black button. And then it lights. To turn it off, we depress the red button. It's off. Remember, it's very important after each time we use the truck that we go and we shut off the propane, as we don't want any issues to occur. So I'm shutting off the propane. Make sure it's done tight.